So, morning everybody. I guess got a few things going on. Got this little 4 horsepower Mercury, and this thing was doing some weird stuff. It was like it'd run fine when the choke was on, but when you take the choke off, then it would just die. So I threw this in my ultrasonic cleaner and cleaned it up, and it's for a buddy of mine who cleaned it up real good, and but it was having some really weird problems. So it's on this little 4 horsepower Mercury. Anyway, I got it all cleaned up and throw it back on. It's kind of raining, so it might be a later this afternoon I can get it on and see if we can get that one running. Alright, got this little dude going. Go ahead and pull her.
Yeah.
Fire right up.
Nice.
Yeah, awesome, man.
Just cleaning.
Yeah, so the carbs was super dirty. We got some old fuel. Put it in the ultrasonic cleaner, cleaned it up, threw it back on there.
Running like new.
Choke, everything's running great.
Heck yeah.
It's my buddy Mitch, by the way.
What's up?
He's gonna help me throw a lower unit on in there. Hopefully it won't be too bad. So anyway, there's that one. That one's done.
Right
That's
on.
awesome.
Right on, thank you.
And I had a guy drop off. He's got another Evinrude. It says 140, but it's 115. Having some problems with power. It's actually running, but he doesn't have any power issues. I ordered all of the coils that really super old, and spark plugs and wires are really suspect. So we decided we'd just go ahead and do all the coils. There's 4 coils. This is a V4, Evinrude V4 115. I'll check the lower unit oil out, and I did find a cable, just kind of inspecting it. I haven't really dug into it. This was hooked up to power, and it was laying down there. They put a trim switch in here. I don't know how the battery hooked up, but it's working here, but it's not working at the captain's chair. So they actually look like they put a switch in up there because the one on the remote is not working. So I'm going to dig into that for him and get that, see if I can get that figured out. I took the plugs out. I mean, I can turn it. It feels like it's got pretty decent compression. Might do a compression test on it and write the numbers for him, just so he's got them. But it'll run. I mean, it's running a motor, so even if it's slightly low compression, should run pretty good. But I could tell that the one bank, some really old coils, it didn't look like it was getting good fire to me. So I got those parts ordered. And what else? What else we got going on? I guess that's pretty much it. Get my stand out of the truck. Still got the 99 Force 120 for sale. And later this week, I got to do a mod on a VRO that went bad. You guys know about the VROs. They go bad, and it had been eliminated on a boat that I got, and they just disconnected the VRO part of it, plugged the oil lines, but the pump in the VRO went out, or it's not pumping like it should. It'll run barely idle. So I take the VRO out, put a proper Yamaha pump, and that's later this week. And that's on that tracker boat. It's also an Evinrude. It's like, it says OMC, but it's basically an Evinrude. I guess they got very incestuous with their parts. It's like Evinrude, OMC, Johnson. I mean, they're all kind of similar. So, well, anyway, that year, I think that one's in 96. It's either a 96 or it might be a 99. Can't remember now. So, VRO, it's like 100, anywhere from 160 to, I've seen them up to like $400 for a new VRO pump. And I suppose you can get the rebuild kits, but I was having some problems finding the kit for that one. But honestly, like a pump, like I'll get the 3-port one, Scott, in, out, and then it's got the pulse. So I got one of those orders. Actually, I have another one that's just an in and out. Sometimes on the engines they got a place where you can put those. Like there's a screw where the engine will pulse it. But I thought, well, let's just get the one with the pulse and it'll work just fine. What else? Anyway, that's a little update what I got happening this week, and maybe do some video of that stuff. And also on the 50, I've got the trim pump all lined out, primed out, ready to go. I'm gonna put it on the 50. So that's the pump laying over there. I'm going to put that on the 50. Go ahead and just sell that all as one. So I have to take the pistons off, put the pump on, and I got a remote for it. And I'm going to look and see if I got enough cabling. I've got an old harness out in the other garage that I might try to fix the key that's in this remote. It doesn't have a key, so when I gotta open it up, find out what the key number is, maybe order a key and see if I got enough cabling that I can wire the remote up. That way it's just all working together as one piece. And so for now, that's what I got going on. Hope everybody's doing well. We'll talk to you soon.